So hey guys, welcome to Tech Knowledge Hub with another video. This is the part 2 of our tutorial session of the Google Data Studio. In part 1 session, we discussed about the introduction part about the Google Data Studio, and in that video we will cover the features like the Google Data Studio feature, component detail, difference between Looker and Google Data Studio. So in this video we will discuss about the interface of Google Data Studio and how you are able to access the Google Data Studio by the web. So for accessing the Google Data Studio, so you need to search here Google Data Studio overview. So you just need to press enter key. So you will get the first link, so which is called as a Google Data Studio overview. You need to click here. So when you click on the link, so new window appears in front of you. So you are able to see the home page of the Google Data Studio. So here is your profile. So you are able to log in from here. I already log in, so no need to log in again. So this is the sample dashboard templates available here. So you can change the different templates from here. So if you want to add the file, so you can click on this icon as well. So create on you just click on create button. So there are three options given to you. So if you want to create a report, you just need to create a report, or if you want to create a dashboard, so you just need to click on report. After that, data sources. So I already told you there are 800 plus different data sources available in Google Data Studio. So you just need to click on data sources for adding the data set, and if you want to explore the data, you need to click on explore button. So there are different templates available in Google Data Studio. So you can see here there are lots of different templates are available here. So you can choose the template from here according to your requirement. So you can see here there is a one template which is related to the YouTube. So you can also fetch the data from YouTube and create a dashboard according to that. So there are a total many dashboard available here. So likewise, category wise you can filter the dashboard from here, and you will get the correct result according to the requirement. So likewise you can choose and edit the dashboard from here also. And so data sources are also there. So when you click on data sources, so you need to add you able to add data set from here. So for that you just need to first click on create button. So for creating a dashboard, so you just need to say create a blank report. So click on blank report. So you need to select the country here. Here is India. So here is India. Company name, if you have any company name, so put it on here. So currently I take it as a YouTube. I agree terms and condition, and I say continue. So tips and recommendations, so product and years, market research, yes. So I said continue. So you need to again click on blank report. So report will be created. It will take some time, so bear with me guys. So you can see here there are I already said in the last session of the Google Data Studio, so there are 800 plus different data sources are available. So this is the data sources. You can connect your data from many sources like that. There are 800 plus different data sets are available. So as per your requirement, you can fetch data from any of these sources and create an interactive dashboard. So this is the first stage of our dashboard. So this is the page. So if you want to like that, there is a file option. You can share your report from here, create another report. You can also make copy from here. You can also download as a PDF format. After that, view grid size. You can adjust the grid size, padding of the page, then grid size of the page, offset. All these things are you can do from here. You can also adjust the page size from here. And if you want any help from the community, so simply you need to click on help button, and you can choose any of one option from here. You will get help from the Google Data Studio as well. So there is a share option. So when you click on share button after creating successful dashboard, so you need to share this dashboard, and you can also publish this dashboard using this link. And there is a view option, so you can see the dashboard in the view mode. So all the filterization and all these things are able to see in the view mode. And you can also edit from here after saving dashboard. You can also refresh data from here, and you are able to make copy of the dashboard from here. So you can also choose themes and all these things from here, but we will discuss in the next session. So we will discuss in next session how we can connect data into the BigQuery, or we can also connect the data into the our system like Excel format and all this thing. So this is the basic interface of Google Data Studio. So if you are new on the channel, so please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you will get the update about the latest video. And thank you so much, guys.